Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 1 Arjuna Vishada Yoga Sloka 40.
Kulakshaye pranasyanti kuladharmaha sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmaha abhibhavatyuta. Om.
Arjuna is saying to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Krishna, if I participate in this war, so many will lose their lives. And with losing their lives, won't their dynasties be destroyed? If dynasties are wiped out, then won't the family traditions, religious rites, and duties also be lost? If family traditions, religious rites, and duties are wiped out, then those remaining in the families will indulge in more sinful acts and will turn irreligious, won't they? Adharma will be occupying these families, traditions, and rituals, won't they? That is why we shouldn't participate in this war. This is what Arjuna was saying to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is that we should not neglect the family traditions, religious rites, and duties that have been passed down to us from past generations. Let us try to pass these traditions to our future generations.
Kulakshaye pranasyanti kuladharmaha sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmaha abhibhavatyuta. Om. Kulakshaye pranasyanti kuladharmas sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhibhavatyuta. Om. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas, or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Sriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Sriman Narayana, as you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Bhraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say, I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayana Astram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.